The Archdiocese of Cáceres, Star Cinema, and the Marilu Diaz Abaya Film Institute proudly present a love story of divine proportions. Ikaw ang pag-ibig.
It's really very, very special, for me. At saka, it happened almost like a miracle for me kasi nung unang inassign sa akin ito 2.5 years ago, nasa cancer remission ako. Tapos nung tinanggap ko, naulit yung cancer. So during which time, sinulat ko yung script. And then kung kailan time for production, doon ako nag-remission ulit. So para bang hindi na akong nagdidirect, parang si Ina na yung nagdidirect, parang ganon. Special siya talaga.
The movie created in celebration of the tricentenary of the devotion to Our Lady of Peña Francia is a product of years of preparation, of love, and of devotion.
Ang pangalan ko ay Evangeline Cruz. Eva for the woman.
Angie for the angel in me.
Video editor ako, pero ambisyon ko, maging mayaman na direktora.
I think it's a film about hope. I watched it and then parang naramdaman ko ulit na oo nga, pwede pang umasa. I really believe that na si Mama Mary, kahit na even if you don't believe her, parang if you come to her, if you go to her and yung bang you ask for help or ganun, tatanggapin ka niya na parang nanay talaga.
Ang boyfriend ko, si Joey. May love child kami, si Gabby.
Sinusumbatan mo ko samantalang ikaw, wala ka rin namang oras para kay Gabby
Kinukumusta ko lang yung anak natin nililihis mo na naman yung usapan.
Magpapakasal din kami, balang araw.
I love you, Joey. Bye.
Pinaka-special na yata to for me, na? Tsaka naman nakakita, pagising mo isang umaga, na-offeran ka ng to be part of a film na miraculous na Mama Mary na inalagaan mismo ng mga ninuno mo.
Ako po dun si Gabby Cruz, anak po nila Ate Ina. Ako dun tsaka ni Kuya Jomery dun sa movie. Kinalingan po namin dun para matawa yung mga may kasama pong comedy. May drama rin po. Marami po.
Mommy ko, teacher. Ang daddy ko, OFW.
Dad, salamat sa pag-uwi mo Masaya Pasko natin.
The movie talks about the family and the struggles of the family. And I think it represents all families all over the world in their own degrees. What families go through.
Ang kuya ko, pare, si Father Johnny.
A lot of people would probably relate to the story of the movie. Kasi parang maraming mga unforeseen events na mangyayari sa buhay natin that we sometimes begin to question our existence in this world or even actually question our faith. But if we just rely dun sa power of love at power ng family, lahat pwedeng malagpasan. We just don't have to give up kasi sometimes ang Diyos nga may ibang plano. We just have to do the best that we could. And then the rest, siya nang bahalang tumrabaho para sa atin.
It's acute myeloid leukemia.
But I'll be ready.
Wala akong trabaho ngayon.
Wala akong pakialam sa pagsasama niyo ng kirita mo. Pero wag mo naman kami takasan.
Johnny ang may sakit. Let's focus on him, not on you.
Buti na lang may sense of humor kami. At higit doon, meron kaming ina na laging tinatakbuhan.
Para saan ba itong leukemia? Napapagod na ako ng kahihintay na sagot.
Samahan mo si Ina sa paanan ng kanyang anak na nakapako sa krus. Doon, mas malapit ka sa pagmamahal ng Diyos, ang iyong kaligtasan.
And last January 10, 2011, Direct Marilu unveiled via special screening, Ikaw ang Pag-ibig.
I extend our invitation to you to join us in thanking the Lord for the gift of the Blessed Virgin to our lives.
It's very special, not only for the artistry, for the good acting, for the music, but for what it means to the promotion of the devotion to Our Lady of Peñafrancia. For us in Bicol, this is very important.
Napakagandang pelikula na dapat ay mapanood ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino, that lahat ng problema, lahat ng paghamon, pagmamahal lang at pananampalataya ang pinanghahawakan natin na nandito lang sa lupa.
Very nice, really nice, wonderful. Congratulations to Direk Marilu and all the stars.
Very good movie, nice, touching.
Watch it, it's great. I think it's a responsibility of every Catholic in this country to see this film.
Wonderful, I would say, hindi dahil religious picture, no? But it blended so well in photography, in storyline, and yung mga actors and actresses, natural na natural Makikita mo din yung travels ng buhay, ano? And how yung ina, sinasamahan ka.
I'm very proud of my mother. It's a wonderful film about family, contemporary times, and then religion and faith. She crafted a very wonderful film. And it's a film na dapat panoorin po ng lahat.
I'm very pleased with the work of my daughter Ina.
The most powerful scene there was the doubt of the priest. All throughout the film, inaasahan mo ng himala ay manggagaling dun sa paghihilom ng sakit ni Marvin. No? But the real paghihilom was the coming together of the family. That's the real.
Maganda po yung paggagawa ni Marilu Diaz-Abaya kasi kahit sa ordinaryong mamamayan, makikita niya yung kanyang pananalig at pananampalataya. Minsan sinusubok, subalit isang bagay ito na palagay ko kung ating uunawain, kailangan talaga natin harapin at talunin yung pagsubok.
I find the movie very moving because I understood what the characters felt. Naramdaman ko yung mga characters because our family went through the same experience. So what extent doon is familiar to me. And naramdaman ko yung mga naramdaman nila. Well, yung the usual na sasabi nila na faith can move mountains.
You and your community can also take part in this inspiring and heartwarming experience. Ikaw ang pag-ibig, a must for every Filipino family and community.